Hey guys, want to manage multiple WordPress sites from one dashboard? Activating a WordPress multi-site network lets you do just that. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable and set up a multi-site network. So, before making major changes, back up your entire WordPress site and database. This prevents data loss in case anything goes wrong during setup. Access your site's files via FTP or your hosting file manager. Open the wp-config.php file in the root WordPress folder. Then add this line above the "That's all, stop editing" comment and save and upload the file back. Now log into your WordPress admin panel and go back to Tools, navigate to Network Setup, and you will see options to choose between subdomains or subdirectories. Enter your network title and admin email, then click Install to generate additional code snippets you need to add to your wp-config.php and htaccess files. Now, follow the instructions on the screen, add the provided lines of code to your wp-config.php and replace the existing rules in your .htaccess file with the new ones. After saving changes, log out and log back in. You will now see My Sites menu on the admin bar, granting access to your multi-site network dashboard. From the network admin dashboard, you can add new sites, manage users, themes, and plugins across your entire network seamlessly. Also, if you want to learn more about this, you can just navigate to wordpress.com and search for setting up a WordPress multi-site network. Then you can simply scroll down, follow the instructions provided here with all the codes that you will need to copy and paste, and you would have successfully activated a WordPress multi-site network instantly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.